Ever wondered what you can do during a layover in Frankfurt? Picture this. You've just disembarked from your long flight at Frankfurt Airport, one of the busiest airports in the world, and you have a layover stretching ahead of you. Fear not, for you've just landed in a city brimming with culture, history, and a vibrant nightlife. Your first step should be to secure your luggage. Thankfully, Frankfurt Airport has several luggage storage facilities. You can store your luggage safely and step out to explore the city without any hassle. Now, you might be wondering how to get to the city from the airport. The regional train, or S-Bahn, is your best bet. The S-Bahn lines S8 and S9 can whisk you away to the city center in just 20 minutes. Once in the city, you'll be spoiled for choice. Frankfurt is a city of contrasts, where sleek skyscrapers stand side by side with quaint traditional buildings. The Römer Frankfurt City Hall is a must-visit. This building, which dates back to the 15th century, is a testament to Frankfurt's rich history. If you're looking to soak in some culture, head to the museum district. With more than 20 museums, this area offers something for everyone. Art enthusiasts can visit the Städel Museum, home to works by great masters such as Rembrandt and Vermeer. For the foodies, a visit to Kleinmarkthalle is a must. This bustling market offers a variety of local and international delicacies. Don't forget to try the famous Frankfurt sausage or the hand cheese with music, a local specialty. Now, what about lodging for the night? Frankfurt has a range of options to suit every budget. The city center has several hotels, from luxury five-star establishments to budget-friendly hostels. There are 3 excellent accommodations at the airport, which are convenient and modern. Getting around the city is relatively easy thanks to the efficient public transport system. Buses, trams, and the U-Bahn, Frankfurt subway system, can take you to any part of the city. Remember to buy a day ticket for unlimited travel within the city. Before you head back to the airport, make sure to visit the Palmengarten. This botanical garden, with its exotic flora, is a hidden gem in the city. So, to sum it up, start by storing your luggage at the airport. Take the S-Bahn to the city, soak in some history at the Römer, immerse yourself in culture at the museum district, tantalize your taste buds at Kleinmarkthalle. Find a place to rest for the night, explore the city using public transport, and finally explore the airport. Take the I-Rail from Terminal 1 to Terminal 2 for duty-free shopping, an array of restaurants, spin gym, and VIP lounges. Or freshen up with a shower if not staying overnight in a hotel. Remember, a layover in Frankfurt isn't just a pause in your journey, it's an opportunity to explore a city that's a unique blend of the old and the new, the traditional and the contemporary. Make the most of it. Gallivanting. Like a royal is your passport to a world of regal adventures. Led by the spirited curator, Duchess DJ Love, this enchanting journey invites you to explore the grandeur of a royal lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or an aspiring explorer, this channel promises inspiration, adventure, and a touch of elegance. Here's what awaits you: Sunday escapades. As the clock strikes 7 in the evening, Central Standard Time, a new adventure unfolds. Join us every Sunday for captivating travel tales, insider tips, and majestic destinations. The creme de la creme, Duchess DJ Love, scours the globe to unearth the finest experiences. From hidden gems to iconic landmarks, she curates the best of the best. Budget royalty. Yes, even on a budget, you can gallivant like a royal. Discover how to infuse your travels with regal flair without breaking the bank. Love everywhere. Duchess DJ. Love's theme is simple yet profound. Share love everywhere you go. Through her lens, every place becomes a canvas for connection and compassion. Connect with Duchess DJ Love, website, Gallivanting, likearoyal.com, YouTube, Gallivanting Like a Royal Facebook, Gallivanting Like a Royal. Join the royal caravan where every adventure is infused with elegance, curiosity, and a dash of magic. Let's gallivant together.